let's say that you're going out of town on vacation at some point in time and you're thinking to yourself, I'm selling FBM. What do I do? What do I do? How do I make sure that my product is not going to be sold while I'm out of town? Well, good for you. There's actually a really simple solution to this, and it is called vacation settings on Amazon. So when you're on your account on Amazon, you can actually go to your account info at any point in time, and you can do your account management. Oh no, they changed the vacation settings, didn't they? They moved it from account management. It's now under store status. You can go to vacation settings, and vacation settings will pull this up right here, at which point you can edit and you can turn on and off vacation mode. So vacation status. So you're off vacation right now. You can just go like this, on vacation, save. And then from there, what that does is it basically means that you are going to be on vacation. It's a temporary thing where it will remove open listings from Amazon. It will also make it so that you have extended time to answer any questions. So that's the easiest way if you're an FBM seller, so that you're not selling through product while you're on vacation. It's actually really funny because back in the day, the way that it worked is that you would do vacation settings, and then you would have to set the specific days that you're going to be on vacation, which is kind of funny because it's like, you can set the vacation, but what ends up happening and what most people would kind of gain, or I guess game the system on, is that they would actually put their vacation to end, or vacation mode to end, like one day prior to the end of their vacation, so that they start getting sales again and they start getting messages. But nowadays it looks like it's the little toggle button and whatnot, which is kind of funny.